One common concern users face is how to empty trash on Samsung phones effectively. Without further ado, we now compile 7 clever methods to clear Samsung Recycle Bin. From native Samsung features to third-party apps. Way 1. How to empty trash on Samsung phones' contacts, messages, and notes. The majority of the primary applications on Samsung phones, including contacts, messages, and notes, feature a trash can that holds unused data associated with them. Way 2. How to empty Recycle Bin on Samsung Gallery. Open Gallery app on Galaxy smartphone. Tap hamburger menu icon at bottom. Select Recycle Bin to view deleted items. Tap ellipses 3 dots at top right. Choose Empty, Delete to permanently empty Recycle Bin. Way 3. How to delete trash on Samsung by clearing cache. Go to Settings. Find Storage under Others or Apps. Select App. Tap Storage if needed. Click Clear Cache to remove cache data. For complete wipe, choose Clear Storage or Clear Data. This erases all settings, files, accounts. Way 4. How to clear trash on Samsung phone using My Files. Navigate to My Files on Galaxy, then select Recycle Bin and tap Edit. Choose either All or select specific files. Tap Delete and proceed with any additional on-screen prompts. Way 5. How to delete Recycle Bin in Samsung phone via Files by Google. Open Files by Google app on Galaxy phone. Tap hamburger menu icon. Select Trash. Deleted files will be visible. Choose All items. Tap Delete at bottom. Confirm by selecting Delete in prompt. Way 6. How to empty Recycle Bin on Samsung from Google Photos. Open Google Photos on Galaxy. Go to Library tab. Select Trash button. Click 3-dot icon. Choose Empty Trash to remove all items. Way 7. How to empty trash on Samsung phone with Assistant for Android Smart. Are you in need of a cleaner tool that is free from advertisements to empty your Galaxy phone smartly? Look no further than Mobikin Assistant for Android. Considered the most reliable Android cleaner as of now. Step 1. Open the app and go to File Management to view Galaxy and SD card capacity. Monitor usage for pics, songs, videos, and documents. Step 2. Select Clean to display caches, temporary files, and thumbnails. Choose files to delete and tap Clean. Step 3. Go to App Management. Choose to stop or uninstall Samsung apps.